Some milligrams then, man. So we'll just change this to milligrams. Okay, and so let's say this is going to be 10,000 then, because we're in milligrams, right? Okay. So 10,000 milligrams, 10,000, or 10 grams, right? So we're just going to go in now, we're going to measure, and it's literally, and again, I don't care about this. Normally you want to zero it, but this is just for training purposes. Go on the scale, close it up, get your reading. 9997.75. 9997.75 is our first reading, right? Mm-hmm. And then all you do is you just go down and then you take it off, let it go to zero, do it again, do it again, do it again, repeatability, do it again. Mm-hmm. Keep going, enter in all your readings and stuff, right? So we're going to go in, and I'm just going to, just for the sake of time, right? Let's just say we just did that 10 times. Okay. And we're going to go in and let's just change up the numbers. Let's say 9998.0. Let's say 9997.75 again. Let's say we got a bunch of those. Let's just mix it up. Let's say we had a 9998.5 for some reason. Let's say it went a little wild there. We did.
Is your deviation down below in the box?
I will show you. Not your deviation per se, but I'll show you. Let's say we had another one of these. And let's say we did this again. Let's just say it looks something like that, right? So now it's going to give you, you don't need to worry about all this. This is what you want here, right? This is your repeatability. But what we have to do now is take that and multiply it by 2,000, right? So if you take, so we're going to punch in the entire number too, right, since we're doing math. So 0.307, was it 307? Oh no, I'm sorry, 0.0061, my bad. 0.0061, 4636?
Yes.
Times 2,000. So your minimum weight is 12.2 grams. That's the lowest you want to go based on the values that went in there.
That's it?
That's it. That's it. Or I should say, technically, I'm sorry, that's actually milligrams technically, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's milligrams. So that is the lowest weight that you want to be able to run on there, because after that, you're going to lose accuracy as you go down lower and lower and lower and lower. So that is the best that you're gonna get. So that's literally what the USP41 like minimum weight is. That's what it is.
Got you.
It just determines that for the client. So if they want to know, they'll choose the repeatability, like, you know, test it at 1,000, 10,000, whatever, and you run it, and boom, and that's it. Just do this, multiply.
Even in grams, same thing.
Right, and we know to multiply it by 2,000 because that's literally what the USP41 does. You can literally look it up online, and you take that number, you multiply it by 2,000. And I forget what it was, I'm sorry. I don't remember off the top of my head.
No.
But you do the multiplication, and then boom, and you're good. And that's it.
Excellent.
And that's all you have to do. There's nothing else to fill out on here. You don't have to worry about any of this.
So it looks like this on Met Team. This is the.
Well, no. This is just for the data. So we actually don't even really have this in Met Team on any of the templates. So whenever you do this, it has to. If the scale is in Met Team, like, you know, you go out to a client that's in Met Team, then you can put this in the notes section in Met Team. But if you're doing it on paper, you need to write it on the cert.
Gotcha.
And so you want to write down that repeatability test at. 10 grams or 10,000 milligrams equals repeatability of 0. Blah 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 times 2,000 equals minimum weight value of, and there's your minimum weight value. So you got to at least put in the notes. There won't be an actual data section actually punching in. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, because you're determining. It's not like a pass-fail. You're just determining what it is, right? So you're not comparing it against really anything, right?
Okay.
So that's it, man.